For those of you who could just come in and join us, a very good afternoon to all and welcome to Asia Square satellite event for Hair for Hope 2024 in support of the Children's Cancer Foundation. Now, this flagship event for the Children's Cancer Foundation is to raise funds and raise awareness for children with cancer in Singapore, as well as their caregivers, as well as their families and siblings. Now, what we hope to do is to be able to find volunteer shavees who would like to be able to go bald and make a bald statement in support of children with cancer and their families. That's right, not just the gentlemen, the ladies too are welcome. Earlier on, we had two beautiful ladies getting shaved, and maybe, are you here? Okay, she's like, I'm here as a supporter today. Well, I can assure you, having been bald at some point in my life, that it's very refreshing for this weather. So maybe practical reasons as well. It's a nice idea to go bald with this humidity we have. But either way, we welcome your support for the Children's Cancer Foundation as part of Hair for Hope 2024, the signature fundraising event for CCF. Now, what we hope to do is to get volunteer shavers on stage. You can sign up right now. Our lovely ladies from the Children's Cancer Foundation are here to take registrations, and from now until 2 p.m. we will be shaving our volunteers. As you can see, our gentleman over here has opted for a very close shave, a 0 setting, whereas our gentleman over here has opted for a number 1. But as you can see, both have chosen to make a bold statement to tell children with cancer it's okay. Now, as we know, chemotherapy is a treatment that is very effective but also has some very difficult side effects. And for children especially, it can be a loss of self-esteem and make them feel like they are not okay when they are bald. So when we go bald, we are telling these children that it is all right, and we think they are beautiful and normal just the way they are. If I can share a personal story as well, I too am a cancer survivor, and it meant so much that one of my cousins also went bald to support me. So I hope if you do have someone in your life who is going through that, you can also consider this as a way of supporting them on their journey and showing solidarity. Now, if going bald is not really your thing, that's fine as well. We are welcoming donations. You can go to the TV screens that are around the area, or the registration booth over here, or the concierge counters at Asia Square Towers 1 and 2, and we are taking donations. When I checked in, we've actually managed to raise $4,000 just in the space of these few hours, bringing the grand total to about 10,000. Let's give a big round of applause for Botar over here. And we still have Kumar, who is finishing off his shave, and in a short while we'll be bringing on the next pair. For the rest of you watching, we welcome you to come in on the action and be a part of this effort to support the Children's Cancer Foundation. Now, the big event that this is culminating in will be at Vivo City on the 27th and 28th of July. So we welcome your support there as well. For 2 days, from 11 to 7 p.m. and 11 to 6 p.m, we will be shaving people and taking donations. Ultimately, we hope to get 4,000 shavees in Singapore during this full campaign, as well as $4.8 million. Okay, thank you very much. So let's give a big round of applause. Our next gentleman up here on the chair. May I know your name, sir?
Just call me Casey.
Casey. All right, Casey. Let's give you a microphone and try and find out a little bit more. Casey, what brings you here today?
This is one of my annual events.
Annual events?
Yeah.
So this is not your first time?
No.
How many times have you done this Hair for Hope already?
Maybe 9, 10.
9 or 10. That is amazing, sir. Let's do a quick picture first. Okay. So 9 or 10. So every year for the past 9 or 10 years you've been doing this?
I started in 2011, my first time in Vivo.
It must really mean a lot to you to do this.
Well, I mean, I can't do any other too much, so this is one of the things that I think I can do.
That's wonderful. So there's definitely shaving is a big way that we show our support, and of course donations are open as well. I do think it takes a special kind of bravery and courage to also go bald for a period in your life. But I guess it's not so. Even before Hair for Hope, you've been bald before for
no,
not really, never.
I'm not a Singaporean.
Oh, you're not a
I don't have to go
Singaporean.
NS.
Oh, that's right. Okay. So we thank you very much for being here. Let's get this shave underway, and thank you for your support. Okay.